Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have received many questions regarding fasting during travel. The simple answer is that if you travel to a place and stay there for less than 10 days, you cannot observe fasting. However, if you stay there for at least 10 or more days, you must observe fasting and your roza will not be qasr. Another question is about the day we leave and return from travel. For example, if you're traveling from Houston to New York after Zuhur, then your fast for that day is still valid. Whether you do iftar at your destination or on the way, the fast will still be valid. The main point is, if you want to keep your fast, you must travel after Zuhur. If you start your journey before Zuhur, your fast for that day is invalid. It's a journal rule. However, there is one exception to make your fast valid even if your journey starts before Zuhur. This exception has two parts. First, wherever you travel to, you must stay there for at least 10 or more days. And second, you must also arrive at your destination before Zuhur. If these two rules are not broken, then your fast is valid.